Hi everyone, welcome to the Back 40 Feet where we talk about suburban, urban, and patio gardening. And it's harvest time here in the Back 40 and I'm going to go check out my cantaloupes. So when you're harvesting cantaloupes, you want them first of all to look like a cantaloupe, and they do start to smell like a cantaloupe. But the easiest way to see if they're ripe is it's called a slip test. That if I turn the cantaloupe and either counterclockwise or clockwise, it should just pop right off the vine. So basically the vine starts to die back where it's attached to the fruit, and that will tell you that it's ready to be picked. Thing about melons, whether it's watermelon, cantaloupe, or anything else, they will not sweeten after you pick them. So if you think picking them early and then just leaving them on the counter and hope that they'll ripen like your tomatoes do, that's not going to happen. They get their sweetness directly from the vines. So you really want to wait until they're truly ripe. So let's go check out the cantaloupe. This is one of the cantaloupes. It is pretty hefty. I gotta say that's probably about like 5 or 6 pounds. And when I'm looking at it, I'm looking right here at the stem. And I can see that the stem is starting to dry out, but here it's still dark green right around the ring. So this is definitely too early for this particular cantaloupe. Check the other one. Here is another cantaloupe, maybe about 5 pounds, and I'm looking here, and this one's probably looking a little closer to being ready to pick, but this is still not ready to be picked. Checking back in on my cantaloupe, you can see that this is no longer green right here by the stem, and that it's almost like starting to scab a little bit. And all I need to do is give this a little twist. And there is the scar from when I took it off. So you can see that it really already had started to disattach itself from the vine. And I can just tell you, it's very aromatic. It actually, my entire kitchen now smells like cantaloupe. I harvested 2 today, and there's one more coming, but that's going to take a little while. And what's kind of comical is that these melons I specifically chose as a variety because they should only be about 4 to 5 pounds each, which makes it very easy for a small household to go through them. But these melons are anything but 4 to 5 pounds. This melon topped the scale and is a little over 7 pounds. And this one is sitting at 6 pounds. It's a lot of cantaloupe, but I love cantaloupe, so it's gonna be great. I just sliced into the melons, and you can see that these are really ripe. You can see that they're nice and juicy. And one of the things I really like is that you can see that there's really hardly any rind in these cantaloupes.